What is all this about? The long and short of the story is that it was a lie. We have been to court, just for the record, and the court have even awarded me damages for defamation that occurred against the media houses. I voted for Musalia Mudavadi. I did not vote for my good friend Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Nataka niseme hivi, tulikuja kwa mazishi ya Mama Hana. Hatukukuja kwa competition ya kisiasa. We have to respect that. And the person who should be ashamed is the one who lied that Jeremiah Kioni never voted for me, yet they were not in that polling station. Because a number of you believed the lie. Shame on you. And that is what we should get rid of in Kenya, believing in lies. Jeremiah has stood here with courage because he knows he stood for the truth in how he cast his vote at that time. He even lost his seat. And we want to make it look like it's political competition here? No. Please let us respect even the head of state and the people here. Let us show a new beginning for Kenya. Thank you.